Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to explain you about a simple Java integration. In Java, what happens if the threads run method called directly, will it start a thread? So you know a thread will always have a run method. Whenever you start the thread, this run method will be executed. The interviewer might be asking you this tricky question: if you call that run method directly without using the start method, what will happen? So please understand, calling the threads run method directly will not start a thread. It's a normal method call. It's like this class has a method called run and you're calling it directly. It will not start the thread. That means it will not have its own stack. It is not considered as a thread. It's like it will be running in a main thread. Let's see, debug and check how exactly it works. So I'm going to start the debugging. I have a thread here which has a run method, and I'm going to call this method directly. I have the object here. I'm going to call this method directly, and I have a thread. I'm going to start this. Let's see how exactly it behaves. So I'm creating an object of runnable, then I'm passing that runnable to the thread so that thread can be started. So I'm calling this method directly. I want to show it here. So it's in the run method. Run method is called directly, but in the main thread, it is running in the main thread. So it will print out, if I'm called directly, I'm not a separate thread. Start method will trigger the separate thread. Start method, I'll be doing it now. I'll be calling the start method now. Let's see how exactly it behaves. So I'm going to start the thread. Let's see how it will behave. So if you start this, can you see here a separate stack has been created. Separate stack has been created for this thread. Okay, that means it is considered as a separate thread. So whenever you call this method whenever you call the start method, then only this thread is considered as, this object is considered as thread. Okay, so as separate stack is created, everything is done. So so it is calling the threads run method. Okay, this is the tricky interview question the interviewer might be asking you, because you should know whether directly calling run method is a thread or not. You should say directly calling run method is not a thread, it's just a normal method call. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please click the like button. Thank you.